Alright, so we're going to unbox today a Fuji Instax Wide printer. This is an interesting little printer. I wanted to try this out, having used the Kodak Smile fairly extensively for the last few years. Ignore the gloves, I apologize. It's just, I learned the other day that I've gotten very good at sharpening kitchen knives, and nobody wants to see that. So this is a photo printer that prints nice and small images. There we go. Be sure to empty out that cardboard thing at the top on actual Instax paper. So I'm very excited to see how this performs when I get some actual prints made with it. That's empty. Box is empty. Instruction manuals. Some informational sheets. Printer. Looks like it's got a strap on it so you can carry it around and not drop it. That's a very nice feature. Charging cable, I'm going to assume. This is a micro USB cable, and this is a stand so that you can have it placed horizontally, or vertically rather. There we go. There's the stand. And the printer itself. Very nice looking piece. So what you'll do is you'll open it up this way, and this is how where the actual photo papers will be loaded. And while we're at it, let's do a 2-for-1 of unboxing photo paper as well. Okay, how do we do this? So basically we just open up this package and put it into the printer. Oh darn it. Oh darn it. Alright, so we're just going to load it yellow to yellow. And I'm now going to get this out of here before all that water that I just spilled ruins my brand new photo printer.